This video will show you how to install the USB kit to your 2021 and up Aprilia RSV4. I made this video because even though it is an easy install, I personally like to see a video before I modify anything. This is a part number that you'll need to order. I ordered mine from AF1 Racing March 19, 2023, and I got it in the mail a few days later. They may have more of them in stock, however, I've waited for them to have this part in stock since September of 2022. First, you will need to put together your USB kit as shown. All of these parts are in separate bags and it comes with instructions, but I'm not going to lie, I didn't really read them thoroughly. This screw is where you're going to use your T27 driver. First, you will need to remove these two fairing pieces. This particular fairing piece has 4 screws holding it in place. These 4 screws will use your 2.5mm hex key. You will need to pull out this wiring adapter. Then you will need to remove this protective cap to connect to your USB kit. You will then need to use your small putty knife or flathead to remove these 2 plugs and install the 2 rubber crush grommets that came with your kit. Here is where your USB mounting device will screw into. Make sure these screws are nice and tight. At this point, I would check to make sure that your USB kit properly charges one of your devices. If so, go ahead and reinstall all of your fairing pieces. Remember, there are 4 screws that mount that one particular fairing piece. This is what your USB kit should look like once everything is installed. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.